Did you know by 2030 the world plans to produce 120% more fossil fuels than what's safe for 1.5 degrees Celsius? Our climate promises just words. Let's decode the 2025 Production Gap Report. The Production Gap Report 2025 warns despite Paris Agreement pledges, governments are expanding coal, oil, and gas production faster than 2 years ago. Three countries, China, US, Russia, account for over half of extraction based emissions from 2022 production. 17 of 20 major producers, including India, still plan to raise production of at least one fossil fuel by 2030. India's case coal demand projected to rise 46% by 2030 from approximately 998 MTs in 2024 to 1460 MTs. The government has auctioned 132 new mines, allocated 57 coal blocks, and targets 100 megatons coal gasification by 2030. Also pushing oil and gas long-term LNG deals, subsidies to state OMCs aim to raise gas share in India's energy mix from 6.2% in 2025 to 15% in 2030. This clashed with global commitments at the COP28 in Dubai. Nations agreed to a just and equitable transition away from fossil fuels. But instead of peaking before 2030, production is still climbing. For UPSC, this links to Paris Agreement and NDC's Article 4, Climate Justice versus Energy Security Dilemma. India's twin challenge, growth for 1.4 billion people versus global decarbonization pressures. The report's key takeaway is stark. The longer expansion continues, the steeper and costlier the eventual cuts will be. The world stands at a climate crossroad. Expand fossil fuels or embrace transition. For more UPSC ready insights, like, share, and subscribe to Edukemi YouTube channel.